mukurikire neza.
I want you to listen well.
Abanebwe bose ku isi
All lazy people in this world,
bakora ibintu bitatu.
they do 3 things.
Barasaba,
They beg,
barabesha,
they lie,
bakiba.
and steal.
Nka wa mugabo nababwiye.
Like the other man I told you.
Iyo uri umunebwe,
When you are lazy,
urasaba,
you become a beggar.
utagombaga gusaba,
Do you beg to people that you shouldn't?
urabesha,
You tell lies,
kandi ukiba.
and you even steal.
Ubonye okaziyo yo kwiba,
When you get an opportunity of stealing,
kuko abo bantu bakunda kurya ibyo
because these people like eating
batakoreye.
what they like, enjoying what they did not work for.
Hari umuntu wambwiye,
Someone told me,
arambaza ngo none se Bishop,
and he asked me, Bishop,
ni gute uzugenda ko nta mafoto uba ufite mu gikapu?
like you have pictures?
Ese amafoto ameze gute?
And I asked him, what kind of pictures?
Abandi bakozi b'Imana aba afite amafoto yagiye afotora umuntu udafite urukweto, yabona
Others,
umuntu ufite
servants
umwenda
of God,
ucitse,
take pictures of people who walk barefoot. Others take pictures of people who are wearing torn clothes. And I asked him, why will I take such pictures?
abo ngabo niba abandi basabisha amafaranga.
And he said that when you present those pictures to others, that's
Umukozi
how you
w'Imana
get
mwiza
money.
agomba kuba afite kamera.
And some people say that a good servant of God should
Aho
go with
ugeze
a camera.
ugafotora.
And everywhere you reach, you take pictures,
kugira ngo ubone uko usaba amafaranga.
that you may get a way of asking for money.
Gusaba amafaranga,
Asking for money.
sinavuze ko uri umuyobozi w'umuryango,
If you are a lead, the head of the family,
kuvugira urugo rwawe, kurushakira inkunga n'ibindi birumvikana.
if you are looking for sponsorship, it's not a problem.
Ariko ugomba gukora kugira ngo wiheshe agaciro.
But you must work for self-respect.
Umusore mwiza
A good young man,
nubona ari ku muhanda arimo asaba,
when you see him standing at the streets
agenda
begging,
avumba ashaka aho barimo banywa kugira ngo anywe abone inzoga zo kunywa.
when he looking for places that he may join people drinking,
Nuhura n'uwo musore akakubwira ko muzabana, uzaba ugize ibyago bikomeye.
if you meet that young person and he says that you should live together, not that will be your problem.
Tugomba gukora
That is why we should work,
kugira ngo twiheshe agaciro.
that we may have self-respect.
Tugomba kumenya kuzigama
We must know how to
kugira ngo
serve,
tuzagire ejo heza.
that we may have a good future.
Tugomba kumenya gukora
We must be hardworking,
kugira ngo tutazaba abantu bo hasi badafite agaciro.
that we may not be low-born man who are not valued.
Nabonye abantu b'abanebwe,
I saw
imyaka
lazy
mfite
people.
54.
I am now 54 years old.
Maze guhura n'abantu b'abanebwe,
I met lazy people.
maze guhura n'abantu b'abakozi.
I met hardworking men.
Hari abantu bakora
There are people who work
bakiteza imbere
and they thrive
kubera ko bakunda gukora,
because they are hardworking
bakaguka.
and they get prosperous.
Umusaza
An old man
yari data wacu,
who was our uncle,
kuri papa.
he was older than my
Turagiye
father.
kumusura, umusaza yicaye
When we went
aratuganiriza,
to visit our uncle, he talked to us
aratubwira ngo umuntu ufite amaboko mazima,
and he said that if someone has hands that
ngo
function
umuntu
well,
ukiri muto,
a young person,
ngo ntagomba gukena.
he should not be poor.
Turamubaza none se muzehe ni gute
And we asked him, how can you say
atagomba
that?
gukena?
How cannot will he
Aravuga
fit to
ngo
be poor?
umuntu wese ufite imbaraga
And he said that everyone who has
agomba
strength
gutunga.
should be wealthy.
Amen.
Amen.
Urubyiruko muvuge ngo amen.
Let us hear an amen from the youth.
Umuntu wese ufite ubwenge bukora
Every person who has a brain functioning well
ntagomba kuba umukene.
should not be poor.
Kubera iki?
What is the reason?
Akazi karahari,
Because there are things to
akazi
do.
ni kenshi.
There is plentiful things to
Aho
do.
kugira ngo nsabe,
Instead of
aho kugira ngo
begging,
nibe,
instead of stealing,
aho kugira ngo mbeshe,
instead of telling lies,